Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to share albums in Google Photos step by step. Sharing an album is a simple way to let your friends, family, or coworkers view your photos without sending each picture individually. First, open your web browser and go to Photos Google.com. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Google Photos home page, click on Collections, then Open Albums. Select the album you want to share. After opening the album, click the Share icon at the top of the page. Google Photos will give you different sharing options. You can create a shareable link or send the album directly to someone using their Google account. If you choose Create Link, Google Photos will generate a link that you can copy and send through email, messaging apps, or social media. If you prefer, you can also enter a person's email address and share the album directly with them. After sharing, you can return to the album at any time to manage sharing settings, stop sharing, or remove access if needed. Sharing albums makes it easy to keep everyone updated with vacation photos, family events, birthdays, or any special memories. And that's how you can easily share albums in Google Photos. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy technology tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.